Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious vegan style peanut punch. Cannot wait to show you how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. I'm just going to put this disclaimer up first of all and say that everybody makes their peanut punch slightly different. So this is my version of how I make peanut punch. I actually have two recipes for this. I have one as a short which shows you how to make it using peanut butter, and this is the version that I'm showing you using peanuts. So you're going to need some peanuts. You don't have to use blanched ones. I just have blanched ones. That's what I have in my house most of the time, but you can use redskin peanuts. You're also going to need some plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk, but coconut milk works as well, but I would recommend using a neutral tasting milk. You're also going to need some vegan condensed milk, so I'll put the link to that just in the box at the top so you can see how to make that. Also some oatmeal, which is optional, some water, some vanilla extract, and some nutmeg as well. So the first thing we need to do is to line a baking tray with parchment paper, and then you just want to lay out your peanuts, and we're going to just roast them until they are golden. So this is going to take several minutes, so you want to just keep an eye on when they're roasting in the oven, and I do recommend doing this step because it's going to give you a much more in-depth flavor. So this is what the peanuts look like after several minutes of roasting them. As you can see now, they're nice and golden and they're ready to make our punch. So now I'm going to transfer my roasted peanuts to my blender. Oatmeal, this is optional, but it helps with the thickness. Also some water and almond milk, and then I'm going to put the lid on and I'm just going to blitz it into a smooth consistency. So now I'm going to take the lid off and show you guys what the peanut punch looks like so far. So it's nice and creamy. So now we're going to strain off the punch. So I'm using a strainer and a jug, or some people call it a pitcher. So you can use a cheesecloth or you can use a nut bag to do this. And because I'm using a strainer, I just take the back of a spoon and I press down to get all of the punch out, and it separates it from the pulp. The pulp, you can use it to make some peanut porridge if you want to with the leftovers. So yeah, you just want to just make sure that you get all of that punch out and separate it from any of the pulp. So the next thing we need to do now is just to add some nutmeg, and once we add the nutmeg, we're then going to add our vegan condensed milk. And the vegan condensed milk, at least my vegan condensed milk, has a dark hull to it, so you're going to notice that your peanut punch is going to be slightly darker in color, and that's just because of the vegan condensed milk that we're using. So you just want to just add it to taste. When I first made this recipe, for those of you who follow my blog, I did put the amount that you should use, but moving forward I tend to just say now to just add to taste, especially when it comes to sweetener, because some people like their punch or other things really sweet and some people don't care for a really sweet taste. So just add it and stir it in to taste. So that's how you make vegan punch. Really simple peanut punch recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.